In front of me is HONOR X70i, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and hitting Get Started. Then choose Photos or Albums at the bottom. Hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, use this icon at the top right corner. Then tap on all of your photos you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!